when the incumbent enterprise tries to answer the question, what should my blockchain strategy be? I think it's helpful to remember that this is the second major iteration of the internet. We've seen the internet of information, the social media revolution, and now we have the internet of value. And every CEO needs to think carefully, how do I want my business to play in this new economy, knowing it could be even more radically different than the versions of the internet have changed things in the past. And I guess you start by recognizing that this is about collaboration. It's about co-opetition, both collaborating with your competition and competing against your competition. And to do so at the level of an ecosystem, evolving into a market, evolving into an industry. And that critical balance that a CEO needs to define between where to collaborate and where to compete. Where are the industry issues where, quite frankly, it's in everybody's interest just to fix it and compete elsewhere? If you're a bank, everybody has a problem with compliance. This is not an area where you should be competing. Everybody should get together to fix that and then compete in other ways to add value. And when you think about how you're going to make your strategy a success when you have decided where you want to play, you have to balance the power of decentralization and how that changes the behaviors of market participants with the need to maintain privacy and the need to maintain an enterprise level security model. And you inevitably end up, I think, with a strategy which operates at three levels. At the level of the applications and the use cases that you will take to market, at the level of the network, who you will collaborate with, and how you will both collaborate and compete, and at the level of the platform. What role will you play at the level of the platform? Will you join existing platforms? Will you build a platform and take a role as a platform business? Or will you extend platforms that others have built? This represents the strategic framework and the thought process that every CEO needs to go through.